it's Ming. Today we're making sticky rice cake or butter mochi 2 ways, pumpkin spice and coconut. One note before we get started, we'll be using sticky rice flour, which is sometimes called sweet rice flour or glutinous rice flour. Start with the coconut version, which is the basic version that you can build upon. 16 ounces of the glutinous rice flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll mix our dry ingredients and set it aside. For our wet ingredients, we'll start with 2 cans of unsweetened coconut milk. We'll add 4 eggs and 1 teaspoon of either vanilla or coconut extract. We'll whisk this together to make sure those eggs are incorporated. And then we'll add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Now finally we'll add 1/2 cup of melted butter. We'll whisk until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. We'll pour the batter into a greased 9x13 pan and sprinkle the top with some coconut flakes. We only have to make a few adjustments to make the pumpkin spice version. The dry ingredients will be pretty much the same except for the addition of 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. For the wet ingredients, we're using 1 3/4 cup of 1/2 or milk instead of the second can of coconut milk. And we're using vanilla extract. Our final adjustment is to add 1 cup of pumpkin puree to the batter. We'll whisk until smooth, and with that, our pumpkin spice version is ready to bake as well. Both versions will bake at 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes until the tops are golden brown and the centers have set. Let them cool completely, which may take an hour or 2 before cutting and serving. Soft, chewy, and delicious. For tips and notes and the full recipe, visit crumbs.com. Thanks for watching.